If you're a musician looking to distribute your music, you've probably heard of iMusician. Most people get this wrong. They assume it's just another basic music distributor. The surprising truth is that iMusician offers a full suite of tools for distribution, promotion, and royalty management, making it much more than a simple upload platform. iMusician allows artists to distribute their songs to all major platforms, including Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, and TikTok. You can choose which stores to release your tracks on, and they provide global reach without taking ownership of your rights. This is crucial for independent musicians who want to maintain full control of their work. One of the standout features is their royalty management. iMusician provides detailed reports on streams, downloads, and revenue. You can track where your money is coming from, and even collect royalties internationally. This transparency is a big advantage compared to some other distributors that provide limited reporting. Another benefit is their promotional tools. They offer options like pre-save campaigns for Spotify, custom release pages, and even marketing advice to help your music get noticed. The platform is user-friendly, making it suitable for beginners, but it also offers advanced options for more experienced artists. There are a few considerations. iMusician charges a distribution fee, which varies depending on the plan you choose, and some features may be limited in lower-tier plans. But for serious independent musicians, the investment can be worth it for global distribution and transparent royalty tracking. In conclusion, iMusician is a solid choice for artists who want full control over their music while gaining access to professional distribution and promotional tools. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your reach, it provides the flexibility and features to help your music succeed. If this review helped you understand iMusician, subscribe for more honest reviews and tips for independent artists navigating the music industry.